Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute time frame, then I do offer an explanation video at that link, so you can go there and I'll explain more. Now, I know I said earlier that I wasn't going to be really doing much on this one until something happens, but what's really standing out to me now, and I'm not sure if it's a leading indicator or of anything or not, but it's certainly worth getting into play here. But the price now has a very well-defined resistance level right here, which is showing that there is selling pressure that has shown up. And not only has selling pressure shown up, it's pretty much taking control of the chart for the time being. Now, I don't mean that means this thing is going to collapse or anything like that, but it's definitely got to be acknowledged that over the past several days, every time the bulls have tried to fight back, so right here, they made a move, but that's as high as it got. Right there, it made a move. That's as high as it could get. Right there, it made a move. That's as high as it could get. And now, even right now, there's not really any moves going on because I suppose maybe a little bit right there, but that's kind of a stretch on my part. But the point here being that selling pressure has definitely shown up. And I do realize that just saying selling pressure has shown up, those are just words. But that's why I like charts, is because they allow you to take words and phrases and make them much more visual. So when I say selling pressure, that is what I mean right there, that resistance red line right there. So in my opinion, any sort of upwards price movements right now, I would say you should be very skeptical of until the price can prove itself. Okay, Clay, how does the price prove itself? Well, again, that goes back to that resistance trend line right there. Prove itself being defined as getting up above that level, and then more importantly, actually staying above that resistance trend line. So you're going to want to continue to watch that very closely moving forward. And the other area that I think is going to be a linchpin kind of here on whether or not this selling pressure takes another leg and kind of takes over again is going to be 2160, meaning if the price drops below 2160, I think that'll be a sign that the selling pressure is just going to take things to another level and potentially push the price down to $18, if not even lower than that. So those are going to be the main technical dynamics to watch moving forward. So let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.